This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about spoons, specifically these Metlux nylon spoons. These nylon high heat spoons are 12 inches long by 2¼ inches wide, and you've got several color options, and we have them here to show you. The black, purple, red, and green. They're all made from really durable nylon that's also heat resistant, and they've got that classic design of a wooden kitchen spoon. They can withstand temperatures up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and won't leave scratches on your delicate cookware or pans. They can be used with color coding systems to help prevent cross-contamination, which is a wonderful feature of these colored nylon spoons. They're also dishwasher safe for easy and quick cleanup and can be used to prepare foods both hot and cold. So these are a perfect tool to have in any kitchen, whether that's the one in your own home or a professional setting.